Hi guys, welcome to Gardeners Friends. Today I'm very excited to talk about hyacinth vine. It's an annual, very vigorous plant. It can grow up to 10-15 feet in a season. It has beautiful purple flowers, absolutely loved by butterflies and hummingbirds. It can be nicely planted against shade or fence to cover it for a season. And in the fall, it forms very unusual seed pod, also bright purple. And seeds are actually edible. You just have to boil them. I collected a few seeds, and let's see how we can start those indoors. It's always safer to start more seeds than you need. Some of them may not be viable, and I collected those a few years ago. So I'm just gonna break the pod, which is super easy. Get the seeds out. Next, we'll soak them in water for 48 hours, and then plant them in soil.
And look you guys, day 6 and it started to come out.
And surely making its way out of the soil and growing quickly. Not all beans came out at the same time, but to my surprise, all of them eventually sprouted and even bloomed in these tiny pots. Now ready to be planted outside in full sun after the risk of frost passed for the season in Zone 6B, where the annuals, while the perennials in Zone 9 to 11. Happy gardening!